Hi, welcome to Simple How To's. In today's video, I want to show you how you can bookmark website URLs and put them in folders. So to get started, you must be using a browser, preferably Chrome, the Chrome web browser. Alright, so if you open your Chrome, you must have to log into your Chrome account. Right. So after doing so, then you have to open any of the websites that you want to bookmark. Let's say I want to bookmark this website by the name CSS Tricks. So I can come here, click this bookmark option here. Right. Then I can create a new folder. Here it says more. Right. Then here I can come and say new folder. So here at the other folder that I have created already, if I click new folder underneath this one, then it will be nested under the folder I've said digital marketing. So if I come here, bookmarks bar, then I create new folder here. So then a new folder will come here. Let's say I want to name it testing folder, right? Just that. But yours, you may name it whatever you want to name it. Let's say I want also to bookmark this website, W3 schools. So now here you see it's now in this folder that I've said testing folder. Let's say I want also to bookmark udemy.com. Then, all right, if I come and click the option to open a new tab here, then you see we have a testing folder here. If we click it, then we'll see it have all the links for the website that we would have been bookmarked. All right, so this trick of bookmarking websites and putting them in folders is pretty handy if you are working, if you use systems that may require to be URL based, those systems that you open a browser then access them via any browser. All right, so that's one of the tricks that can save you a large amount of time so that you won't keep on entering the same URL time and again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, please share it. Also remember to subscribe so that you won't miss any other videos in the future. Thank you. Goodbye.